Vladimir Putin, whose forces are still attacking Ukraine, splurged lavishly on his rumored £390 million Flying Kremlin jet, which boasts numerous luxurious features. Putin also owns luxurious cars, super yachts, and mansions. But his Kremlin jet is the most famous of them all. So, what are the most unique features of the jet, and what makes it so special? Let's find out all the details. The official Illusion plane was made by Voronezh Aircraft Production Association and hits top speeds of up to 560 miles per hour. The Sun reported. It boasts a neoclassical style with a conference room table trimmed with gold, as well as many luxury features. The source further says, these include a gym, fully stocked bar, and bedrooms, reports The Sun, with state insignia visible all over the decor. But as is necessary for a plane carrying a world leader, it also houses a command center that can be used to mobilize troops. This could be used for a combat situation when Putin is in the air. There are many wonderful details about this fancy jet, so stick around. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you an inside look at Putin's £390 million Flying Kremlin jet with gold-plated toilets. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Controversy over the plane's interiors erupted in 2007 when a blog published 30 leaked pictures that showed the aircraft was allegedly fitted with lavish golden bathrooms, as well as luxury areas for Putin's study, his aides, and security personnel. With the amazing jet, Vladimir Putin can travel anywhere and everywhere, safely, on time, and undoubtedly in style. For safety reasons, Putin flies with 3 additional private jets which are very similar to his Kremlin jet, so the one he's actually flying in cannot be identified. Now that's some serious security. This means Putin is a very smart man and he knows how to deal with his enemies, as now he might have many after his invasion of Ukraine. The plane also serves as a command post from where Putin can launch a nuke from the air. According to many rumors, Putin's jet has recently been installed with the latest security add-ons, which include heavy radiation shielding, electronic warfare suites capable of jamming communications, and anti-missile lasers. The Russian president had hired the best designers from around the globe to design this beauty. And when it comes to luxury, he spared no expense. His amazing warplane is equipped with all the bizarre accessories fit for Russia's elite. We are all aware of Putin's daily routine, which includes an hour of intense training. Now he can do these exercises in the air, considering there's even a fully equipped gym on the plane. Putin has obviously worked so much on this jet, and there are more amazing features you will love about it. Many people say that the whole interior of this Flying Kremlin jet is gold-plated, including its toilets. So, is it really true? Don't worry, because we are about to cover that next. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. The interior and exterior of the plane are remarkable. According to a source, the cabins are outfitted in luxurious white leather, walnut veneers, and gold accents. From the inside, the plane can be said to have a neoclassical styled interior and is more akin to a luxury hotel than a plane. And Russia's coat of arms of the presidential standard is embossed on many walls and headrests. The ultimate glory in this jet is the presidential bathroom. The huge washroom comes complete with a gold sink, a gold-plated toilet seat, and also a bidet. Vladimir Putin's lifestyle is the best a president like him can have. Putin's investments in luxurious assets are what set him apart from others. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about Vladimir Putin's amazing Flying Kremlin jet with gold-plated toilets? Which feature of this jet did you love the most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.